In the previous video, I was blasting this head in the dry ice blaster and it didn't do too well. The process was taking way too long. So I have decided that I'm going to put that head in the soda blaster. Now, if you watch this whole video, you will see the transformation of this part from being dirty to clean. Alright, so guys, because I'm getting all wet right here, I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the hydro blast to go ahead and get it rinsed off and get all the abrasive off. This process took me an hour and 30 minutes to clean, and that includes rinsing and cleaning time. If you guys want this process in your shop or in your garage, please call us at 828-202-5563. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like and follow all our social media, and also make sure you guys follow our YouTube channel so you can get content just like this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.